Welcome to GTAS Box. Happy evening to everyone. So we are gathered today. Today is our occasion of medical coding, National Medical Coding. So thanks for joining this pleasant evening. So what is mean by medical coding? So a simple terminology, medical coding is the conversion of sign and symptoms and diagnosis. What the professional surgeons means what they are doing the surgeries, all those things are converted into the alphanumerical terminology. A simple word, diagnosis, surgeries, that is equal to alphanumeric terminology, that is the medical coding. So where this medical coding is applicable? This medical coding is applicable in the hospitals, mainly hospitals, which is linked to the laboratories. So where the hospitals, the patients